Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening up our Allure beauty box for October 2020. This is currently a $15 a month subscription. In here, we should have between 5 and 7 beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup products, typically more on the high-end luxury brands sort of thing. This box is different. Like normally it's a little like top and bottom box and then the lettering is silver, but it's totally different this month. So I'm curious to see what's in here. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty free while I'm filming, I will definitely display that on the screen right here for you, as well as do all the research and put the estimated sample size value on the screen as well. If it's full size, I'll obviously put that as well. Okay, so if that sounds good to you, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Okay, so the new box right here. So when you open it up, it's going to look like this. It's going to have this little pamphlet right here on top that's going to tell us everything we're getting, the full size value, a little bit about the product and why a particular editor at Allure magazine chose it to be in this month's box. Of all my boxes, this one has went through the most changes. When I first started getting it, I feel like it was a white box with red. I don't know. I feel like this is like the 4th iteration of this box. Like it's changed packaging, it's changed what's inside. We used to get like these stupid plastic bags that were in it that I don't know if anybody liked it. I hated them. So it's just interesting that they just keep changing it, like definitely like trying to stay relevant. I don't know what the deal is, but they change it a lot. Okay, let's just go ahead and pull out this first thing. Okay, so this is a foil packet sample. I've never heard of this brand. This is Rusk Pure Mix. It is a replenishing shampoo and a replenishing conditioner. It does say right there it's cruelty free with that little bunny. Interesting. So I'm not going to open it because it's like a foil packet. Typically not a huge fan of these, but I do enjoy the packaging. Like pretty cute. Native fig. I wonder if that's what it smells like. Okay, so this definitely is just like a freebie thrown in here. This is not technically part of the box. I will still like put the value on it, but there is a little ad on the back right there. So you can get 20% off your Pure Mix purchase using the code Allure20 through November 30th. Okay, so there's that. All right, let's pull out the next thing. This is from Wilma Schumann, which I feel like is cruelty-free. Yes, it says on the back it is. This is the European Skincare Hydrating Collagen eye pads. There, that is, I haven't used iPads in quite a long time. I do enjoy them. I just don't ever think to really use them, but definitely excited to get those. I'll probably use them today or tomorrow. I definitely could use some moisture and some nourishing down there. The full size is $18 for 5 applications, which I don't think is too bad. I think that's a fairly decent price. So yeah, that's some little iPads. Okay, moving right along, this next thing I have is from Dr. Jart. This is the Maiden cream. This brand is not cruelty free, so not going to be using it. I don't know exactly what that means, so let me take a look at the little book here. Okay, so basically it uses ceramides to help you retain moisture. So ceramides are definitely good for moisture and like hydration, so there's that. Definitely would love to use it, but not going to be using it. The full size is 48 bucks, kind of expensive. But like I said in the beginning, this box typically has like bougie stuff in here. Let's about this next thing. This next thing is from Sigma, which I've never even tried any makeup from them. I have a brush, I think, by them. I don't even know if they're cruelty-free. But this is a liquid lipstick, and mine is in the shade Venom, which is a red, red, red. I don't know if they're cruelty-free, though. I'll have to look into that. Ooh, I kind of like the color. Ooh, it's dark. You see? It just smells like lipstick. It doesn't have a scent to it. That's nice. There is on my hand. I believe it'll dry down matte. Let me see if the book tells me. It's satin. Okay, it's going to have a satin finish. So I like a satin finish. It's probably my favorite finish of lipstick. So there's that. And the full size is 20 bucks, which seems pretty on par for like a more high-end or like Sephora pricing liquid lip. So there's that. All right, let's pull up this. This brand is not cruelty-free. This is from La Roche-Posay. This is the Lipicar Balm Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. Here's the packaging. I don't know what this means. Okay, so it's basically a fragrance-free moisturizer. Nothing super special about it. So I'm not going to be using it, not cruelty-free, but it is $19.99 for full size, which is pretty decent. Like, this is a drugstore brand though, so don't let that name fool you. Like, La Roche-Posay sounds so fancy. You can get this like at drugstores, I'm pretty sure. Okay, moving right along. This is from... Okay, moving right along, the next thing I'm pulling out is from the Nuco, which I've never heard of this brand. This is Tropical Sea, which doesn't tell me much of anything. So on the back here though, it says it firms fine lines and smooths, brightens, antioxidant is what it says on the back. Oh. Yo, it's a powder in there. Can you see that? I don't know if you can tell, but that's powder. It says 2 to 3 shakes of powder into your moisturizer, serum, or mixed with water. Apply to clean skin daily. This is an interesting product. I don't know. Okay, so this is kind of interesting. So I'm going to read you what she wrote so you kind of understand why it's in here. Okay, so it says, I have tested dozens, if not hundreds, of serums, and many are too heavy for my skin, which often breaks out if I go beyond my usual moisturizer and eye cream routine. But the Nuco Topical C, did I say tropical earlier?
Tropical C.
Or topical, I don't know. It's a powder that you mix into your other skincare products or even water, and it lets me easily incorporate vitamin C into my regimen without adding weight. This is definitely great because I don't typically break out, but if I use oils too much, I will get like little pimples and stuff. So I'm curious to try this. This is very, very interesting to me. I hope it's cruelty-free. This is just definitely a different kind of product. So I definitely will give that a go. And the full size is $70, so that's kind of expensive. I'm not sure exactly how big the full size is, but that is pretty pricey. I should have mentioned too, that little bottle I pulled out was glass, so the packaging is definitely nice on that. All right, and we have one last item, which is from Static Nail, which I'm not sure if they're cruelty-free, but I have seen this brand like all over Facebook and Instagram. It's like you look up one nail thing and then all of a sudden you get ads all over the place for this. But anyways, the color of this nail polish is Irene. It's very pretty. It's definitely the type of color I wear. I like to wear like nude pink sort of nail polishes. That's what I have on my toes right now. I don't know if they're cruelty free though, so I hope they are. I can't open it though. I'm gonna have to ask my husband to open it. Like, I legit can't open this. So there we go. I got a nail polish that I literally cannot access. Why is that on there so tight? I wonder if it's because it's shipping. Oh, got it. I'm a tough lady. Okay. I don't know why I smell that. I enjoy the smell of nail polish. Is that weird? So there is out of the box. You know, I'll go ahead and paint a fingernail. Why not? See if it... So there's one coat. Like, it's definitely going to need 2 or 3 coats. It's more sheer. But I do like the color a lot. And what did it say on the bottom there? It said non-toxic liquid glass lacquer. So definitely hope that's cruelty free. I enjoy the color a ton. And I don't know if that's full size. It does seem a little small for a nail polish, but it might be full size. The full size is $16, which is a little bit expensive, but I've paid more for my favorite nail polish. Okay, so that's everything from this box. Honestly, it was okay. There's quite a few, not quite a few, there's 2 things I can't use because they're not cruelty free. A couple things I have to research, 2 things I have to research, and 3 things I have to research. This is the only thing I know for sure is cruelty free in here. Well, in the shampoo. But I have to research the nail polish, the lip gloss, and that weird powder stuff. But overall, it was a decent box. Like, there was hardly any makeup, which is fine sometimes. I think my favorite thing would have to be the nail polish, which is very weird because I don't paint my nails that often, but definitely excited about that. And the lip thing, if it's cruelty free, I'm excited to give that a go. This is how it dried down, in case you're curious. So you can see it's got like that satin finish to it. Like, it's not totally matte, but it has like a slight sheen to it. It's not transfer proof though. I just want you to know that. It definitely feels sticky on my hand. I will say too, that nail polish, I just painted on my nail and it's already, that first coat's pretty dry. Like, I could already go in with the second coat, so that's pretty good too. But anyways, that's all I have for today's video. I would love to know what you thought of everything I got in this box. And if you get this box, if you enjoyed this month's box, let me know right down there. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.